Hey there, friends. Welcome back to HerbNerd TV. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for every household: cleaning products. While keeping your home spotless is essential, have you ever wondered if your favorite cleaning supplies are silently hurting your health? Are these products contributing to indoor pollution, and what can you do to protect your well-being? Let's dive into the hidden dangers of common cleaning products and uncover how to maintain a safe and healthy home environment. The silent threat: indoor pollution from cleaning products. First, let's understand the scope of the issue. Indoor pollution refers to the presence of harmful chemicals and particulate matter inside your home. While outdoor air pollution is a well-known concern, the air inside our homes can be even more polluted due to the extensive use of cleaning products, air fresheners, and building materials. These products often contain toxic chemicals that, when used regularly, can accumulate in your living space, posing significant health risks. Common toxic chemicals in cleaning products. Let's break down some of the most common harmful ingredients found in everyday cleaning supplies. Formaldehyde. 1. Found in some disinfectants, glues, and sealants. 2. Health risks. Known carcinogen linked to respiratory issues, skin irritation, and eye irritation. Ammonia. 1. Found in glass cleaners, oven cleaners, and some degreasers. 2. Health risks. Can cause severe respiratory irritation, burning of the eyes, nose, throat, and skin. Chlorine bleach, sodium hypochlorite. 1. Found in disinfectants, toilet bowl cleaners, and mold removers. 2. Health risks. Emits toxic fumes that can cause lung damage, asthma attacks, and chemical burns on skin and eyes. Phthalate. 1. Found in scented cleaning products, detergents, and air fresheners. 2. Health risks. Endocrine disruptors linked to reproductive issues, developmental problems, and asthma. Triclosan. 1. Found in antibacterial soaps, disinfectants, and some household cleaners. 2. Health risks. Potential hormone disruption, antibiotic resistance, and environmental toxicity. Perchloroethylene. 1. Found in dry cleaning agents and some spot removers. 2. Health risks. Neurotoxic effects, lung damage, and potential carcinogenicity. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs. 1. Found in air fresheners, disinfectants, and all-purpose cleaners. 2. Health risks. Can cause headaches, dizziness, respiratory problems, and contribute to long-term health issues like cancer. Health impacts of toxic cleaning chemicals. Exposure to these toxic chemicals can lead to a variety of health problems, ranging from acute symptoms to chronic conditions. Respiratory issues. Inhaling fumes from products containing ammonia, bleach, or VOCs can irritate the lungs, leading to coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Long-term exposure may increase the risk of asthma and other respiratory diseases. Skin and eye irritation. Direct contact with harsh chemicals can cause burns, redness, itchiness, and eye irritation. Those with sensitive skin or allergies are particularly vulnerable. Neurological effects. Some chemicals, like perchloroethylene, can affect the central nervous system, causing headaches, dizziness, and even memory loss with prolonged exposure. Endocrine disruption. Phthalate and triclosan are known endocrine disruptors, which can interfere with hormone function, leading to reproductive issues, developmental problems, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Chronic diseases. Long-term exposure to carcinogenic substances like formaldehyde and certain VOCs can elevate the risk of cancer, heart disease, and kidney damage. Identifying harmful cleaning products. To protect your health, it's essential to identify and avoid products containing these toxic ingredients. Here are some practical tips. Read labels carefully. Look for ingredient lists on cleaning products. Be aware of the different names for the harmful chemicals mentioned above. Choose fragrance-free products. Fragrances often contain hidden phthalate and other harmful chemicals. Opt for unscented or naturally scented products. Look for eco-friendly certifications. Products certified by organizations like EPA's Safer Choice, Green Seal, or EWG's verified program are generally safer and free from harmful chemicals. Avoid antibacterial products. Unless absolutely necessary, Avoid products containing triclosan or other antibacterial agents, as they contribute to antibiotic resistance and hormone disruption. Opt for concentrated formulas. Concentrated cleaners allow you to dilute them yourself, reducing the amount of chemicals you use. Safer alternatives to toxic cleaning products. Switching to safer alternatives doesn't mean sacrificing cleanliness. Here are some effective, non-toxic cleaning solutions you can make at home. Vinegar and baking soda. 1. Uses: all-purpose cleaner, deodorizer, stain remover. 2. Benefits: natural disinfectant properties, effective against mold and bacteria. Lemon juice. 1. Uses: cutting boards, countertops, glass cleaners. 2. Benefits: natural antibacterial agent, leaves a fresh scent. Castile soap. 1. Uses: dish soap, laundry detergent, bathroom cleaners. 2. Benefits: biodegradable, gentle on skin, versatile. Essential oils. 1. Uses: adds fragrance and antibacterial properties to homemade cleaners. 2. Benefits: natural aromas, can enhance cleaning power, e.g., tea tree oil for its antimicrobial properties. Olive oil and vinegar. 1. Uses: wood furniture polish. 2. Benefits: nourishes wood, removes grime without harsh chemicals. Hydrogen peroxide. 1. Uses: disinfectant for surfaces, mold remover. 2. Benefits: powerful oxidizer, effective against a wide range of pathogens. Tips for reducing indoor pollution. In addition to choosing safer cleaning products, here are some additional tips to minimize indoor pollution. Improve ventilation. Open windows and use fans to circulate fresh air, reducing the concentration of indoor pollutants. Regular cleaning. Keep your home clean to minimize dust and allergens, but use non-toxic cleaning methods to avoid introducing new pollutants. Reduce use of air fresheners. Opt for natural alternatives like essential oil diffusers or simply freshen the air with lemon slices and baking soda. Store cleaning products safely. Keep all cleaning supplies in locked cabinets out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental exposure. Monitor humidity levels. Use dehumidifiers or humidifiers as needed to maintain optimal humidity levels, which can reduce mold growth and dust mites. Conclusion: clean smart, live healthy while keeping your home clean is essential for maintaining a healthy living environment. It's equally important to be mindful of the cleaning products you use. By choosing non-toxic alternatives, reading labels carefully, and adopting safe cleaning practices, you can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals and minimize indoor pollution. Remember, a clean home doesn't have to mean a toxic home. Make informed choices and prioritize your health and well-being without compromising on cleanliness. What do you think? Have you noticed any changes after switching to non-toxic cleaning products, or are you still relying on traditional cleaners? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this eye-opening exploration of the hidden dangers of cleaning products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to HerbNerd TV for more discussions on essential health and wellness topics. Until next time, stay curious and live clean.